Imagine your liver as a knight tirelessly battling toxins and waste. It's often overlooked, yet its health impacts everything from your energy levels to your mood. Hey everyone, and welcome back. Today. We're taking a deep dive into your body's unsung hero. The liver, this powerhouse organ, silently filters toxins, processes nutrients, and keeps you feeling your best. But just like any hero, it needs its own set of allies. So imagine this. What if there were everyday foods readily available in your kitchen that could be your liver? Secret weapon, buckle up, because that's exactly what we're uncovering today. Unfortunately, modern life throws a lot at our livers: processed foods, stress, and even medications. But fear not, just like the knight needs a trusty. Steve, your liver can be supported by the right dietary choices. Our first champion is the humble beetroot. Don't underestimate its vibrant color. Beetroot is rich in bowel lanes, powerful antioxidants that help your liver neutralize toxins. Studies published in the Food and Function Journal suggest beetroot extracts can even improve liver function in people with non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. Beetroot, roasted, pickled, or juiced. It's your call. Just add this warrior to your plate. Next up, we have a dynamic duo, broccoli and kale. These leafy greens are packed with fiber, which helps your body get rid of waste products that can burden your liver. A 2023 study in Clinical and Translational Gastroenterology found that regular intake of cruciferous vegetables like these might even reduce the risk of liver cancer. So steam them, saute them, or blend them into a smoothie. These grains are your liver's shield. Now let's introduce the muscle, the protein powerhouses, almond and walnuts. These nuts are loaded with healthy fats, particularly omega-3s, which have anti-inflammatory properties. Research published in the World Journal of Gastroenterology indicates that omega-3s can protect your liver from damage caused by excess fat. Snack on a handful of these, add them to salads, or make your own nut butter. Your liver's armor. And who can forget the morning ritual, coffee? Yes, coffee. Studies published in Hepatology show moderate coffee consumption, around 3 cups daily, can be beneficial for your liver. It might reduce the risk of chronic liver diseases and even improve enzyme levels. Just remember, moderation is key, and skip the sugary add-ons. So pour yourself a cup and raise it to your liver's health last. But certainly not least, we have the antioxidant powerhouse green tea. This ancient beverage is brimming with polyphenol, specifically caecin, which protect your liver cells from damage. Research in the International Journal of Molecular Sciences suggests green tea might even help prevent fatty liver disease. So steep yourself a cup of this scaling elixir and give your liver a daily dose of goodness. There you have it, 5 incredible foods that can be your best friends. Remember, consistency is key. Incorporate these heroes into your diet and watch your liver say thank you. But also remember, consult your doctor before making any major dietary changes, especially if you have pre-existing conditions. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe. Until next time, take care of your incredible liver and take care of yourselves. Also visit my channel. Nathan Health and Fitness is more than just a channel. It's a movement toward a stronger, healthier you. Whether you're a beginner or a fitness enthusiast, we bring expert tips, effective workout routines, and science-backed nutrition advice to help you achieve your goals. Join us on this journey to build strength, boost endurance, and transform your lifestyle, one workout at a time.